Hi all, welcome back. In this video I will discuss a short trick of mixture and alligation chapter, which is in quantitative aptitude part. So we have seen some problem like let's say there is a container which is having syrup in it. Now some part of the syrup is taken away from the container and replaced by equal amount of water. This process is followed several times, and after 3 or 4 times or 5 6 times we have to calculate how much percent of syrup or water is present in that. So using this formula which I am going to tell, we can easily solve this kind of problem. So let's start. Suppose a container contains X units of liquid from which Y units are taken out and replaced with water. After in such replacements, the quantity of pure liquid remains this. So this is the shortcut, X into 1 minus Y by X whole to the power in units. So let's start. The first problem is a container contains 40 liters of milk. From that 4 liters of milk are taken out and replaced by water thrice. How much milk is now present at the container? So X is 40, which is the amount present previously in the container, and amount of liquid taken out means milk taken out is 4. So and the number of this process is done 3 times. So I will put this formula, put these things in the main formula. So the amount of milk present is this. So X is 40, Y is 4 by 40. Or we can say n is 3. So I will put 9 to the power 3 by 10 to the power 3. So 7 to 9, 5000. So if we simplify this, we will get 29.16 liter. So this is the amount of milk that is remaining in the container after 3 such process. Moving on to our next problem. 8 liters are drawn from a container full of wine and replaced with water 4 times. The ratio of quantity of wine now and previously present is 16 by 81. But how much wine did the container hold originally? So X is not given. So this is the amount which was there previously, and Y is given as 8, and number of process is n equal to 4. So the amount of wine now present is this, and previously present was X, which is given as 16 by 81. It is given. Now this is the present amount and previous amount. So X will nullify each other. Y is given as 8 and this is as 4. So 16 we can write it as 2 to the power 4 and 81 as 3 to the power 4. So 8 by X is 2 by 3. If we nullify the power, like we can write this as 2 by 3 whole to the power 4. So 1/3 is equal to 8 by X. So X is basically 8 into 3, that is 24 liter. So this is the amount of wine which was previously present. So you can see using this formula we can easily solve this kind of problems. Thank you.